how to add contacts on WhatsApp Wave. The easy way. Simply open your WhatsApp Wave. To do that, you open your web browser and go to web.whatsapp.com. Here you need to scan the QR code using your WhatsApp mobile to log in. Once logged in, you see your chats and contacts on the left hand side. To click on the new chat icon, to add a new, what you need to do is click on the new chat and select new contact from the drop down menu. Enter the contact's name and phone number in the respective fields. Make sure the country code is correct from international numbers. Click on Save to add contact to your WhatsApp Wave contact list. And you'll see a confirmation message once the contact has been added successfully. Sometimes you may need to refresh WhatsApp Wave to see the new contact in your list. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add contacts on WhatsApp Wave. It's that simple.